Nangaroling ang mga seminarista sa lungsod ng Davao upang makakalap ng pondo para sa ipapatayo nilang chapel. Balikan natin ang batang seminarista na labis na nagbigay ng tuwa sa mga manonood at kay Mayor Sara Duterte dahil kaboses nito si Pangulong Duterte.
I-greet ko lang ang anak ko, Day. Good morning. Ngayon si Inday, mabait yung batang yan. Katulad yan sa ama. Tinubit ang Panginoon. I would like to greet each one of you. Good morning. You know, it's been a year since we sang songs for caroling here in the city of Davao. But now, we come again because we know that you are so generous. Basin may lang mo palang public mo okay ha? Madam Day, I know Inday is very generous person. Kasi ate, tinupit na to. Nag-iyak na siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moabot kinag-gismil na to light the day, no? To light up the day. Be joyful because it's Christmas, but not only because it's Christmas that you have to be joyful, no? And I ask you to please pray for our president, no? For the good heart and his perseverance, no? And also to the city of Davao, because the Davao city is already flourishing, no? Davao life is here. Okay. So, sabayin ko niyo ingon nga Davao life is here. 1, 2, ready, go. Iya ram mo. Husga ninyo. Kulbaan po ko abin ko sniper na ko.
City Government of Davao employees, we would like to pledge 500,000 for your chapel.